Coin collecting strategies for beginners. So first of all, what you want to do is get some coins. So I got these from the bank, $20 worth of Australian $1 coins. Open the bag up and have a bit of a look through them, but it's really handy having a list of things, of knowing what to look for, the rare dates and the errors that you can find. So yeah, and just search through the coins, take your time. Some coins are rotated, which means that if you flip the coin like this, then the queen should be pointing sideways, but if she's pointing in any other direction, then that's called rotated. So that can add a lot of value to the coin. This particular coin here, on the top of this hat here, you can have a bit of extra metal. So what are some prices on that? About $8 to $14 are some selling prices on that, if you can find that extra bit of metal on the top of that hat there. So the lists that I've got some lists through the link in my bio, and I'm just about to update them. So I've gone through all of the prices, and I've been updating all of those prices. So the lists aren't live just yet, but in the next few days, those lists are going to be going live. So stay tuned. I'll let you know exactly when that comes out. But yeah, you can find all sorts of things, like little extra blobs of metal down the side of the kangaroo, or across the top of this kangaroo, the second kangaroo, all over the place. And yeah, there's low mintage dates as well. So the dates that are, they didn't make many coins in those particular years. So, oh, here we go. This coin is sort of known to have that rotation error. So hold the coin at the top and the bottom, flip it around, and no, it's not rotated, this one, but people do find that, and I'm really looking forward to finding one of those one day. So hopefully I've got it on camera when I do find it. All right, let's have a look at this. I wonder if there's just something at the top on that top kangaroo. Sometimes just a bit of dirt. Yeah, just a bit of dirt there. On that one. Oh, here we go. Another chance for that rotation. Flip it around. Not on that one. Okay. A few coins to go. All right. What is this? 2008. Not a low mintage date. Might be just a, oh, this one has got an error. Maybe a slight one there, but this is called a rabbit ears error. So a blob of metal on the top kangaroo there. So that's awesome. Really happy with that. It's been a little while since I found one of those, so super excited with that. Anywhere from about $5 to probably $15 for something like that. So that's really cool. All right, commemorative coin, but high mintage numbers on those, so not valuable for coin collectors. And same with this coin right here. All right, good luck with your searches.